Welcome to Bootcamp 2, and in this bootcamp we're going to be looking at sequences, variables and selection. Okay, so let's have a look at what we're doing. So first of all, open up a brand new Scratch. Okay, so you might need to go File New or close and save the one you've got open already. Or you may need to launch Scratch, which is Start, and then go to the Scratch icon, Scratch 2. So what I want you to do next is I want you to delete the cat sprite costumes, okay, all of them, and get rid of everything. Now save your file in your 7B folder, okay, and call it Lesson 2 Animal Game. Okay, so your screen should look like this. Okay, so we should have nothing here at all, no backgrounds, no sprites, anything. Let's move on. Step 4, what I want you to do is I want you to add in a polar bear or a suitable animal here by adding in a new sprite and then going to the costumes, okay, and you've got one costume. So on the animal there, polar bear, we've actually got a dog costume and a polar bear costume, okay. So don't have two sprites here. Have one sprite, but one costume is a dog, one costume is a polar bear. Okay, got that? Moving on. So go to the script tab and there should be no content. So what are we doing again? The Year 1 class are trying to get the spellings of animals correct this term. Miss Stanley would like to create a program for her class that if they practice animal spellings, and give them the noise back if they get it right. So how are we going to do that? So let's start the program. Make sure the bear costume is showing. Okay, so we've got some code in here that when the green flag is clicked, it will start the program. Switch costume to bear. Ask, what is your name? And wait. Do that, but also test it as you go along. Press the green flag to see if it works. Moving on. Create a variable called name. So as I've been saying, and the teacher's been saying, that in programming we can store data, okay, in the program. Now either that can be inputted by the user or we can predetermine it. What we'd like to do to make it more personal is collect the name of the person doing this spelling. So we create a variable. Go to the Data tab, click Make Variable and drag this in. Set name to 0. So drag that out. Moving on. Okay. Now, what we need to do is add 2 more code blocks that will create a variable and store the user's name. Okay. So set name to answer, okay, and we can drag that in, okay, from oops, just click something, to answer, okay, and say hello name. So we put in a green block, write the words hello, and this will output the outputs hello with the variable. Let's run it. Have you got this? Fantastic. End of programming bootcamp 2A.